Everyone, welcome to today's world. My name is Sangam. Previous class रे आम किसी जीएस क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करथिले जो माने प्रीवियस क्लास वीडियो देखि नाहंती जाइके देखि नियंतु. Let's start today discussion. First question is, who was the first foreign minister of free India? Then first option is Jawaharlal Nehru, second one is Gulzarilal Nanda, third one is Lal Bahadur Shastri, fourth one is John Mathai. Then correct option is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first foreign minister of free India, serving in this position for approximately 17 years. How many years? 17 years. From August 15, 1947 to May 27, 1964. He was not only the first Prime Minister of India but also held the portfolio of Foreign Minister, making him a key figure in shaping the country foreign policy. Then correct option is Jawaharlal Nehru. Move to next question. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India is associated with the election of the President of India? First option is Article 103, second one is Article 78, third one is Article 74, and last one is Article 54. Then correct option is Article 54. Then some most important Article 108 is joint sitting. Then Article 110 is money bill. Then Article 112 is annual financial statement or budget. ये सब आर्टिकल प्रीवियस एग्जाम रे बहुत थर क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो सारी. ओके, देन मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The fundamental duties were included in the constitution with the idea of dash. First option is giving more importance to the fundamental rights. Second one is curbing subversive and unconstitutional activities. Third one is preventing abuse of fundamental rights. Last one is giving more power to the executive. Then correct option is option B. Correct option is option B. The fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution through 42 Amendment Act in 1976. 42 Amendment Act in 1976. The primary intention behind incorporating these duties was to emphasize the responsibility of citizens toward the nation and to the contract subversive and unconstitutional activities. By answering these duties, the government aimed to promote a sense of national unity, integrity, and loyalty among citizens. Okay, then correct option is option B. Move to next question. Which one of the following articles directs state government to organize village panchayat? First article is Article 32, Article 40, then Article 48, and last option is Article 57. Then correct option is Article 40. Article 40 of the Indian Constitution direct the state government to organize village panchayats and endow them with such powers and authority as may be necessary to enable them to function as unit of self-government. The articles aim to promote grassroots democracy and decentralization of power. Which article? Article 40. Then Article 32 is right to constitutional remedies, and Article 48 is protect environment and improvement of environment and wildlife. This article is important. This article is repeat in previous some competitive examination And Article 57 is re-election, eligibility of re-election of president. Which article? Article 57. Then the correct option is Article 40. Then move to next question. The Samokhya School of Philosophy was founded by dash. First option is Patanjali, second is Kapila, third option is Kumarila Bhatto, fourth is Gautam. Then correct option is option B, Kapila. Kapila is traditionally credited as a founder of the Samokhya school. Samokhya is the oldest of the Astika or orthodox philosophical system in Hinduism. Samokhya means enumeration. Samokhya means enumeration. Then correct option is Kapila. Kapila is traditionally credited as founder of Samokhya school. Then move to second question. In which novel did the national song of Indian features? First option is Sebhasadana, second is Devi Chaudhurani, third option is Anandamatha, fourth or last option is Durgesh Nandini. Last option is Durgesh Nandini. Then correct option is option C, Anandamatha. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. National song of India is Vande Mataram. Is the national song of India. It was written by Mr. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay on 7th November 1875. 7th November 1875. Original this song had been published in novel Anandamatha, a Bengali fiction novel written by the Bankim Chandra. Okay, then correct option is Anandamatha. Then move to next question. The princely state of Hyderabad was brought under the Indian Union in the year of dash. In the year of dash. First option is 1950, second option is 1952, third one is 1948, and last option is 1963. Then correct option is 1948. Correct one is 1948. On 17th September 1948, the princely state of Hyderabad was brought into the Indian Union. After the State Recognition Act 1956, it was merged with Andhra state and later renamed as Andhra Pradesh. Okay, move to next question. The Vivekananda Rock Memorial is located in dash. First one is Andaman, second is Srinagar, third one is Kanyakumari, fourth one is Ladakh. Then correct option is Kanyakumari. Correct option is Kanyakumari. The Vivekananda Rock Memorial is located in Kanyakumari. It was built in 1970. Honor of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, who is said to have attained enlightenment on the rock. Okay, correct option is Kanyakumari. Move to next question. In which year was the Battle of Saragadi fought? This first option is 1880, second one is 1870, third one is 1897, fourth one is 1890. Then correct one is 1897. The fabled Battle of Saragadi took place a small British outpost in the Saman Range on 12th September 1897, when anywhere between 10,000 and 12,000 Pashtun tribes launched an all-out attack for many days. Okay, then correct option is 1897. Move to next question. The Khilafat movement of 1920 was organized as a protest against the injustice done to dash. First option is Turkey, second one is Egypt, third one is Afghanistan, and last option is Iraq. Then correct option is Turkey. The Khilafat movement of 1920 was organized as a protest against the injustice done to Turkey. The Khilafat movement, also known as Indian Muslim movement, also known as Indian Muslim movement, 1919 to 1924. Force that arose in India in the early 20th century as a result of Muslim fears for the integrity of Islam. Okay, then correct option is Turkey. Move to next question. As a reaction to Revolt Act, Dash was organized as National Humiliation Day. National Humiliation Day. First option is 14 June 1921. Second option is 6 April 1919. Then third option is 2nd February 1913. And last option is 8 May 1920. Then correct option is option B, 6 April 1919. As a reaction to Revolt Act, 6 April 1919 was organized as National Humiliation Day. This act effectively authorized the government to imprison any person suspected of terrorism living in British India for up to 2 years without a trial, and gave the imperial authorities power to deal with all revolutionary activities. Okay, then correct option is 6 April 1919. Move to next question. Akbarnama and Aina Akbari are written by Dash. Akbarnama and Aina Akbari are written by Dash. First option is Akbar. Second option is Ziauddin Borani. Third option is Abul Fazl. Last option is Abdul Qadir Badauni. Then correct option is Abul Fazl. The Aina Akbari or the administration of Akbar in 16th century detailed document recording the administration of the Mughal Empire under Emperor Akbar, written by his court historian. Abul Fazl is Akbar court historian. Abul Fazl in the written as a Persian language. Ain Akbari and Akbarnama written as a Persian language. Okay, then correct option is Abul Fazl. Move to next question. Hoj a Sultani is dash. Hoj a Sultani is dash. First option is it is a tower. Second one is big reservoir. Third one is palace. Fourth one is mosque. Then correct option is big reservoir. Hoj a Sultani is big reservoir. Hoj-e-Sultani is a water storage reservoir or tank built by Iltutmish of the slave dynasty in 1230 CE at a location revealed to him in a dream by the Islamic Prophet Muhammad. Okay, then correct option is big reservoir. Hoj-e-Sultani is a big reservoir. Move to next question. Who is the author of the book Rajatarnangini? Who is the author of the book Rajatarnangini? Then first option is Bonabhatta, second option is Kalhana, third option is Kalidasa, fourth one is Somadeva. Then correct option is Kalhana. Correct option is Kalhana. Rajatarnangini written author is Kalhana. Kalhana was the author of Rajatarnangini. This is River of Kings, an account of the history of Kashmir. He wrote the work in Sanskrit between 1148 and 1149. Okay, correct option is Kalhana. Move to next question. Dash has been called the Art King, as during his region the world witnessed a unique development of art and culture of Mughal Empire. First option is Shahjahan, second is Jahangir, third one is Aurangzeb, fourth one is or last one is Akbar. Then correct option is Shahjahan. Shahjahan has been called the architect king, as during his time the world witnessed a unique development of art and culture of the Mughal Empire. Taj Mahal at Agra, Taj Mahal at Agra, Red Fort Delhi at Delhi, Moti Masjid at Agra, Jama Masjid at Delhi are some of his remarkable architectural contribution. Correct option is Shahjahan. Then move to next question. Alexander invaded India in dash C. First option is 467 BC. Second option is 323 BC. Third option is 454 BC. Last option is 326 BC. Then correct option is option D, 326 BC. In 326 BC, Alexander invaded India after crossing the river Indus. After crossing the river Indus, he then challenged King Porus, ruler of the kingdom between rivers Jhelum and Chenab. Then correct option is 326. Alexander invaded India in 326 BC. Move to next question. Mihir Bhoj was the ruler of dash. Mihir Bhoj was the ruler of dash dynasty. First option is Rashtrakuta dynasty. Second one is Cholo dynasty. Third one is Pratihara dynasty. And last one is Chalukya dynasty. Then correct option is Pratihara dynasty. Mihir Bhoj or Bhojo I was a ruler of Gurjar Pratihara dynasty of India. Bhojo was a devotee of Vishnu and adopted the title of Adibhara, which is inscribed on some of his coins. Then correct option is Pratihara dynasty. Mihir Bhojo was the ruler of Pratihara dynasty. Okay, move to next question. Temple for goddess Nisumbhasudini was built by dash. First option is Pallav. Second is Cholo. Third one is Gupta dynasty. Last one is Muttarayar dynasty. Then correct option is Cholos. The temple was built by the founder of Cholo Empire, Vijayalal in 1850 AD. Vijayalal was the first feudatory of the Pallav of Kanchi. He captured Tanjore in 850 AD. It dedicated to goddess Nisumbhasudini, means Durga. Goddess Nisumbhasudini, this is Durga. Goddess Durga. Okay, correct option is Cholos. Next, move to next question. The concept of the Four Noble Truths belong to which of the following religions? The Four Noble Truths belong to which of the following religions? First is Jainism, second one is Sikhism, third Hinduism, last option is Buddhism. Then correct option is option D, Buddhism. Four Noble Truths, Pali Chhatri Arya Assassin, Sanskrit Chhatri Arya Assassin, one of the fundamental doctrines of Buddhism, said to have been set forth by the Buddha, the founder of the religion, in his first ceremony which he gave after his enlightenment. Then correct option is Buddhism. The Four Noble Truths belongs to Buddhism. Okay, correct option is Buddhism. Then move to next question or last question. The skull of Homo erectus was found in which of the following prehistoric Indian site? First is Ponchamari, second is Hathnor, third is Patni, fourth is Sanganakalu. Then correct option is Hathnora. Then option is Homo erectus was found in Hathnora. The skull cap for Hathnora is considered as oldest belonging to the Homo erectus of Middle Pleistocene. Then correct option is Hathnora. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share these channels for more important GS questions. Jai Jagannath.